Welcome to creative thinking. This skill enables you to generate innovative solutions and adapt to challenges. For dual career athletes, it fosters flexibility and encourages unique problem-solving approaches. Creative thinking requires open-mindedness, flexibility, and exploring new solutions. In sports, it refines techniques and enhances competition strategy, while in academics and work, it aids brainstorming and problem-solving. It strengthens problem-solving, helping athletes find innovative solutions, and builds resilience, turning setbacks into opportunities for growth. Creative thinking gives a competitive edge, helping athletes and professionals stand out with unique ideas and approaches. To develop this skill, stay open-minded by considering diverse perspectives and take risks by experimenting with new methods, as innovation often comes from exploration. Brainstorm solutions freely, including unconventional ideas, as they may offer valuable insights. Creative thinking fuels success in sports and work by fostering adaptability, innovation, and the ability to turn challenges into opportunities.